Welcome to BOVD.com. I am Dan, the Wheelchair Van Man. Today we're going to take a look at a 2026 Chrysler Select with the wheelchair accessible modification. This particular modification has where the ramp is power coming out the side. This option is available rather than being a power in the floor ramp. We can also do a fold out. Prefer to have the ramp loaded at the rear. Subscribe to the channel. You can go through all of our videos where we do product demonstrations on all different types of modifications. The power in the floor ramp integrated right into the factory remote 2 times. That ramp is going to stow beneath the floor, allowing unobstructed access. We're ever at a point to where we want to gain access into the back of the vehicle without the ramp deploying, with an in the floor ramp, we simply activate the door via the door handle, inside or out. That door will open, no ramp will deploy. Now with the side entry, we are going to be able to support both drivers and passengers, where the rear entry design is mainly going to be focused on supporting passengers. Complete center section is cut out, 3-person bench seat at the rear. All of the OEM features that this vehicle came with from the factory will be retained after the modification. If you want to learn more, watch a more in-depth video, subscribe to the channel where we'll go through all the different popular makes and models in full detail. Questions, comments, leave it below.